As entomologists, you play a crucial role in ensuring the scientific accuracy of all data submitted to the platform. Every observation uploaded by citizens is automatically routed to your dashboard for review, validation, or correction. When you log in as an entomologist, the top navigation bar provides quick access to all pending images. From here, you can confirm whether the identification is correct or make any necessary adjustment. We have also added an observation field visible to the citizens once the validation is complete to encourage clearer and more constructive communication between both user types. Your participation not only enhances data accuracy but also strengthens collaboration between experts and the community. With your expertise, each validated record becomes a solid data point that contributes to expanding knowledge and protecting our biodiversity.